Okay, number 6 on the QR code review is asking us to solve an elimination, a system by elimination. And I call this one a more challenging one or a harder example. And that's because I definitely have to do some work here to think about which variable I want to eliminate. So I'm noticing that while the x's are in opposite signs, I'm noticing that it's probably easier for me if I just multiply the top row by a -3, because that would give me a -6y, and then if I added that to a +6y, it would cancel out. So if I multiply the entire top row by a -3, I would get -3 times the -7x is +21x. -3 times a +2y is a -6y. And -3 times 18 is -54. And if you can use a calculator if you don't understand that part. The bottom row does not change. 6x plus 6y is worth 0. Now we're going to add vertically here. And by doing so, hopefully you can see that the 6y's then cancel out. So 21x and 6x make 27x. On the other side, -54 plus 0 is just -54. If I want to solve this thing for x, I'm going to divide both sides by 27. So it looks like x is going to be -54 divided by 27 is -2. Now again, you're not done. You got to plug it back in somewhere. So I'm going to just take this answer and I'll plug it right there and see what we come up with. So -7, now instead of writing x, I'm going to write down -2. Plus 2y is equal to 18. Now you could have also plugged it in the bottom. That's fine too. It doesn't matter which one you do. So this is 14 plus 2y is equal to 18. So I'm going to subtract 14 from both sides. So now 2y is just equal to 4. I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides. So y is equal to 2. So there's your solution. It is -2, 2. And that is how you do number 6.